Hi there, this is our Cincinnati shear, a mechanical shear. Cincinnati, really renowned and well-known machine, super heavy duty and it'll last forever. This one's in really good condition, came from a research and development place. They probably would have had it since new. We really would come across something like this. So it's got your front guard here, which has got an electrical safety lockout. When this is lifted, you know, the shear itself won't come down. Someone's also fitted a back gate there to stop access to the rear of the machine, which has got an electrical switch each end, which when that's open the machine will actually switch off. Auto lube over this side. It's got the vertical ram adjustment. Someone's fitted a pneumatic sheet support system on it, which you won't be able to see there, but that's it, up and down, up, down, up. So that's a really nice wee feature. It does interfere with the throat as if someone wanted to push full sheets through continuously, but that doesn't happen very often these days. The only two faults that I noticed with this is on that pneumatic sheet support, one of the rams, the very end of it, just the threaded part, not the ram itself, but the threaded part has got a bend in it. It doesn't affect its operation. And on the, it's got a powered back gauge here, coming forward and back in a normal sort of rapid fashion, and a fine adjustment on the forward. Well, the fine adjustment on the forward doesn't seem to come in any slower. So anyway, I'll take that back. All the readings here are imperial, so that's that back gauge, the powered back gauge going back and coming forward on the rapids. These tumblers are working, and then that's the fine forward, but it doesn't seem to be much slower really. Once upon a time would have had magnetised sheet supports which have been decommissioned at some stage, which I think is part of these buttons here for probes. It's got the remote foot pedal control there. Okay, we'll start the machine up. Big springs in those housings for the return stroke. Rated to, it's 10 foot by 1/4 inch. I didn't have any thick steel, so I put a sheet of 2.4 by 3 mil, it cut it like butter. And we'll just do a cut, eh? So there's not a lot to demonstrate there. So basically that sheet support, when I do a cut, after the cut it drops down and then comes back up for the next cut. And then it drops that sheet support down after the cut and then comes back up, ready for the next cut. So there's probably not a lot more to demonstrate with the machine. Super heavy duty, really good quality, it'll last forever and it ticks over nicely.